Welcome back to Easy English Friends channel.
Hi, everyone. Hi, Emma.
How are you today, Ben?
I'm good. A little sleepy, but happy.
Same here. I had coffee. Now I feel awake.
Nice. Your smile looks awake.
Thank you. So today I want to help your brain.
Help my brain?
Yes.
Oh, my brain needs help.
Our topic is simple and strong. Train your brain to speak in English.
Wow. Train my brain. Like the gym?
Yes, like the gym. Small moves every day.
I like that.
First, why is this important?
Because we want to speak fast and free.
Exactly. In the shop, at work, with friends, when you travel, even on the phone.
Phones are scary.
They are, but we can make them less scary.
Okay, Coach, show me how.
We will do 3 parts: small thoughts, good input, and brave output.
3 parts. I can do 3 parts.
Part 1 is small thoughts. Think in small English sentences all day.
All day?
Yes, but tiny. For example, I look at my cup and think, this is my cup.
The cup is warm.
Good. In the morning, I think, I wake up, I stretch, I need water.
I think, I want coffee. I open the door. I turn on the light.
Perfect. No translation. Just English to life.
Sometimes my head translates first.
That's normal, but we can change it with practice.
How?
Use easy frames. I am, I have, I want, I'm going to, and I can.
Ah, like Lego blocks.
Yes. Try with I am.
I am hungry. I am late. I am ready.
Great rhythm. Now, I have.
I have a meeting. I have time. I have no cash.
Nice. Now, I want.
I want noodles. I want a nap. I want a new pen.
Good. I'm going to means plan.
I'm going to cook. I'm going to study. I'm going to call mom.
And I can.
I can help. I can wait. I can't drive today.
Excellent. Listen to the beat. Content words are strong. I want noodles.
I hear it. The strong word is want and maybe noodles.
Yes. Say, I want noodles.
I want noodles.
Great energy. Now, a mini story to use small thoughts.
Okay.
It's 7 a.m. I think, I wake up. I open the window. The air is cool.
I think. I yawn. I want water. I check my phone.
I think, no phone. I make tea. I sit down.
I breathe. I feel calm.
Good. See? We are thinking in English.
It feels simple.
Simple is powerful. Now part 2. Good input.
Input is English coming in, right?
Yes, your ears and eyes need easy, clear English.
Like this show.
Exactly. Also, short videos you enjoy. Cooking, football, travel, pets.
I like football and food videos.
Perfect. When you watch, talk to yourself softly. He passes. She scores. Cut the tomato.
So I connect words with actions.
Yes, and music helps too. Simple songs with repeated lines.
I sing in the shower.
Great! Sing the same song every day for 1 week. Your mouth learns the path.
The mouth learns the path. I like that picture.
Now part 3. Brave output. Speak even if alone.
Speaking alone is my best skill. Haha.
In your room, car, or shower, describe what you see.
This is my desk. The desk is messy. I need to clean.
Good. Add because.
I need to clean because I can't find my keys.
Nice reason. Reasons make your speech longer and natural.
Sometimes I stop because I don't know a word.
Use a simple path. For example, if you forget screwdriver, say, a tool for turning.
A tool for turning. Smart.
Or use like. It is like a small knife for screws.
So I keep talking.
Yes, keep the ball in the air.
What about pronunciation?
Great question. Let's do rhythm and linking.
Okay.
Say, I'm gonna call you.
I'm gonna call you.
Good. Gonna is a fast way for going to. Use it in casual talk.
Not in a job interview, right?
Right. In a job interview, say going to.
Got it.
Listen to stress. I'm gonna call you. Strong on gonna and call.
I'm gonna call you.
Now fall at the end to sound sure.
I'm gonna call you.
Nice. Now yes, no questions go up at the end. Say, are you ready? And lift your voice.
Are you ready?
Good. Now echo practice. Say what I say.
Ready.
I'm ready now.
I'm ready now.
Can you help me?
Can you help me?
I'll be right back.
I'll be right back.
Great. Friends at home, say it too.
I felt the rhythm.
Now a tiny role play. Cafe scene.
Ooh, I like coffee.
I'm the barista. Hi there. What can I get you?
Hi. I'd like a latte, please.
Sure. Small or large?
Small, please.
Anything to eat?
No thanks, that's all.
Perfect. Now a teaching note. The pattern I'd like is polite and soft.
I'd like a latte.
And if you want to sound fast and casual, can I get a latte?
Can I get a latte?
Good. Now repair time. Say, I like to a latte.
I like to a latte.
Hear the problem?
Yes, it sounds strange.
The fix is I'd like a latte or I like lattes.
I'd like a latte. I like lattes.
Nice. Another common fix. I am agree.
I am agree.
We say, I agree. No M.
I agree.
Great. Let's do a mini story in a shop.
Okay.
I walk into a phone shop. Hi, I'm looking for a charger.
Sure. What phone do you have?
I have a Pixel. Do you have a fast one?
Yes, we do. This one is fast.
Great. How much is it?
It's $15.
Okay, I'll take it. Do you take card?
Yes, we take card.
Done. Now, key phrases. I'm looking for, how much is it, I'll take it, and do you take card?
Those are gold.
Say them with me. I'm looking for,
I'm looking for.
how much is it?
How much is it?
I'll take it.
I'll take it.
Do you take card?
Do you take card?
Lovely. Now a phone call scene, because phones are hard.
Deep breath.
Hello, this is Emma. Is this Ben?
Hi, Emma. Yes, this is Ben.
Great. Can you talk now?
Yes, I can. What's up?
I'm running late. I'll be there in 10 minutes.
No problem. Take your time.
Thanks. See you soon.
See you.
Short lines, clear voice, smile while you speak. Your sound gets warmer.
I feel it. My voice is kinder when I smile.
Exactly. Now let's add because.
Okay.
I'm late because the bus is full.
I'm tired because I slept late.
I'm happy because you're here.
Aw, I'm happy too.
Now contrast two tenses, present simple versus present continuous.
Big words, coach.
Don't worry. Present simple is for habit. I eat breakfast at 7. Present continuous is now. I am eating breakfast now.
Habit versus now.
Good. Make 2 lines about study.
I study English every night. I am studying English now.
Yes. Now, future plans with going to.
I'm going to read after dinner.
And quick plans with will.
I'll call you tonight.
Perfect. Feel the difference?
Yes. Going to is a plan. Will is a quick decision or promise.
Exactly. Pronunciation tip. Drop little words to keep flow. Say I'll, not I will, in casual talk.
I'll try.
Nice. Another rhythm tip. Chunk your words.
Chunk?
Group words. Instead of I am going to the store, say I'm going to the store.
I'm going to the store.
Sounds smoother.
It does.
Now micro practice for everyone. I say a line, you say it after Ben.
Let's go.
I'm ready.
I'm ready.
I can do this.
I can do this.
English is part of my day.
English is part of my day.
Great job. Now mistakes and repairs.
Uh-oh.
Say, he don't like tea.
He don't like tea.
Fix it.
He doesn't like tea.
Yes. Say, she go to work every day.
She go to work every day.
Fix.
She goes to work every day.
Perfect. Another, I am study now.
I am study now.
Fix.
I am studying now.
Great. Feel the pattern. Third person adds S, and am is are plus ing for now.
It's clicking.
Good. Now personalize. Tell me about your morning using our frames.
I wake up at 7. I make coffee because I'm sleepy. I read messages. I am studying English now with Emma. After this, I'm going to cook eggs. I'll call my friend at lunch.
Beautiful. Add one feeling.
I feel calm.
Nice. Now your evening.
I usually walk after dinner. I watch a short video about food. I speak to myself for 5 minutes. I say what I see.
That is strong training.
It's easy to keep.
Yes. Small steps every day beat big steps sometimes.
What if I miss a day?
Be kind. Say, it's okay. I start again now.
It's okay. I start again now.
Good. One more mini story. Travel day.
Let's go.
At the airport, hi, I'm checking in.
Sure. Can I see your passport?
Here you go.
Do you have any bags?
Yes, one bag.
Put it on the scale, please.
Okay. How long is the flight?
It's 2 hours.
Great. Thank you.
Simple and calm.
Key phrases again. I'm checking in. Here you go. How long is?
I like here you go. It's friendly.
Yes, and very common.
What about thinking speed?
We make speed with repetition. Same lines, many times, in different places.
For example,
Can I get? Use it at the cafe, shop, and market.
can I get a ticket? Can I get a kilo of apples?
Exactly. Also practice sorry to repair when you don't catch a word.
Sorry?
Or, could you say that again?
Could you say that again?
Keep your face friendly.
Friendly face, friendly life.
Yes. Another pronoun tip. End your words. Say the last sound.
I forget ending sometimes.
Try I need it. Touch the D and the T.
I need it.
Good. I liked it. Touch the K and the T.
I liked it.
Clear endings help people understand you.
I will practice that.
Now, let's do a quick day plan in English.
Okay.
Morning,
I'm going to study for 10 minutes.
afternoon,
I'll watch a short video and repeat lines.
evening.
I'll talk to myself for 5 minutes and tell a small story about my day.
That's a perfect plan.
Thank you, Coach.
Friends, make your own plan. Use your life. I'm going to walk. I'm going to cook. I'm going to text my friend.
Whisper it while you do it.
Yes. Whisper, then say it normal.
What about recording my voice?
Great idea. Record, then listen. Ask, can I understand me?
If yes, good. If not, I try again.
Exactly. And celebrate small wins.
I love small wins.
Me too. Now, quick challenge. I give you a feeling, you say a reason.
Okay.
I'm excited because.
I'm excited because I'm learning.
I'm nervous because.
I'm nervous because I have a job interview.
I'm proud because.
I'm proud because I practiced today.
Nice work.
Thank you.
Final repair set. Say, I have a free time.
I have a free time.
Fix.
I have free time.
Say, I am very like coffee.
I am very like coffee.
Fix.
I really like coffee, or I like coffee very much.
Perfect. Say, he don't has a car.
He don't has a car.
Fix.
He doesn't have a car.
You're on fire.
Wow.
Okay, time to wrap up. What are our big ideas?
1. Think in small English sentences all day.
2. Get good input. Easy videos, songs, this channel.
3. Be brave with output. Talk to yourself even for 5 minutes.
Add rhythm. Stress the strong words and link sounds.
Use helpful frames. I am. I have. I want. I'm going to. I can. I'll.
Repair gently and keep the ball in the air with simple words.
And smile.
Always.
Emma, can I share my promise?
Please do.
I will think in English when I make breakfast. I will watch one short video after lunch. I will speak to myself at night for 5 minutes.
That is an amazing promise.
Thank you.
Friends, make your promise too. Say it now in a small line. I will practice today.
I will practice today.
We believe in you.
We are your easy English friends.
Use today's lines in your life. In the bus, in the shop, on a walk.
If you forget, start again. It's okay.
Yes, your brain is strong, and you are training it with love.
Aw.
Thank you for spending time with us.
Thank you, friends.
See you next time. Keep thinking in English.
And keep smiling.
Bye.